before we continue with this video, what you'll get out of it is you'll get expert advice, because I was personally responsible for emptying at least a dozen attics when a tornado hit near the area that I live. And so I want to share that with you, and I understand that circumstances are very traumatic and very destructive, and just it's a lot of emotion. So I hope that you guys get the help that you need from neighbors, contractors, whatever it is, in a timely manner, and that the insurance company cooperates. Here are some serious water damage. You can see the compression. So this area here was definitely leaking all the way across to here. You can see all the water spots, and also all of the discoloring right here, right there. All right, so we are just finishing up on the other side. We've already cleared up all of the other area here, as you can see, and we're chucked all of the butts on the end. So again, this is one where the roof was damaged. I'm glad these are still up, the roof vents, like I've said in previous videos. So yeah, this one's a little over 1,000 square feet. Got ourselves a nice bathroom fan exhaust right here that probably should be upgraded to one that at least has an aluminum wrapping for the exposed pipe. So one of the hardest parts about attic removal is to figure out that everything has been removed, even in little spots like this. So this here, I can't really get access to this in a safe spot. So, and then these, even if they remove the ceiling, this won't drop. But this doesn't look like it's been affected by the water, and we're mostly here to remove the loose fill. So yeah, because I can't get access to that part well without falling through. So this is all that's left, this corner. So just for you, truth guitar method, if you want to know what sort of animals I encounter in the attic, well, here is a dead pigeon right here. It had a nest a little bit further down. So yeah, we encounter all sorts of animals. They can fly into any little space and try to keep warm during the winter. So right here is a lot of bird poop, and so that's the other thing, because of the pigeons, right? This is not because of the storm. Obviously this area was flattened because this is typically where, I mean, they're going to, this is where they poop, I guess. So in a way, pigeons are pretty clean animals because they only poop in one area. Very similar to raccoons. All right. So is pigeon poop a good insulator? Answer, no. So we're gonna have to obviously remove this, and plus there you go. Has the same feel as vermiculite, but I can tell you right now it's definitely not vermiculite. There we go, third bird of the day. Now, so it's definitely a different kind of bird, but I know that I sucked out a similar one accidentally. I don't want to suck those because well, it can break the machine, but we're gonna definitely have to bag it. Just like the sheets of insulation. There you go, some of the benefits of emptying your attic. See here, it's not properly connected. So when they reinsulate, they're gonna have to take a look at this. This is properly sealed. Now it's not even attached. So I don't know, and maybe I'm weird, but the most satisfying parts of this job are just vacuuming all this bad insulation there, just watching it leave. Just like that. Ah, yes. There we go. But this is the last corner for this attic, and we're all done. So thank you for watching, and I hope you learned something and enjoyed this walkthrough of an attic insulation removal. So for more attic insulation removals or attic insulation tips, definitely check out my other videos on my channel. So we'll see you next Tuesday.